Withdrawing funds held by your Apple ID can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Begin by unlocking your device and navigating to the Settings app. This is where you will manage your Apple ID and associated funds. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. Once in Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. This area contains all your account information and options. Step 3. Select Payment and Shipping. Scroll down and find the Payment and Shipping option. Here, you can view your payment methods and any available funds linked to your Apple ID. Step 4. Check your balance. Look for the section that displays your Apple ID balance. If you have funds available, you will see the amount listed here, confirming that you can withdraw it. Step 5. Withdraw funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw funds from your Apple ID. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.